Hi, my name's Ron. I'm from Basement Systems of New York. I'm a system design specialist. I've been in the business for over 25 years. I've been designing systems and working in different aspects of construction and waterproofing during that time. I've worked for the company for 3 years. I specialize in basement waterproofing, structural repairs, and poly-level structural foam. What I like about working with the company is the ability to deal with customers and teach them things about their house that they may have never known, or I get to educate them on what's being done. We just don't tell somebody what's getting done, we educate them on it. One thing that sets us apart is our systems approach to everything. Everything that we do is made to work together with another part of the product in the system. We don't just go and buy pieces from different places. Everything is manufactured by Basement Systems and installed the proper way. I enjoy motorcycles and I enjoy fishing. One job that really sticks out in my mind was a job we did with Poly-Level. We were lifting a house basically, and you could look at the pictures and you could see the slope of the house and how the pipes were angled differently from sinking. We were able to go in and actually lift the house, the corner of the house, and years later we still have no problem.